once again to my channel. This is Ruth. In this video I'm going to show you how I cook this Afang soup, Calabar style 2021 updated version of Afang soup. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you're returning, you are highly welcome. Please do stay connected. More videos are updated every week on this channel. Alright, let's dive into it. First, I have my fresh water leaf. Even in this dry season, I could get this fresh water leaf. In fact, the best water leaf for your Afang soup is what you just saw. So I have seasoning, yellow pepper, salt, and palm oil. So this is our Afang, known as okazi. I'm going to be pounding this. You could blend yours in the market, but I love to pound at home because of the slight bitter taste I do get when I blend at the market. Then I have my dry catfish, fresh dry catfish, everyone. Then I have some cow stripe I'll be using, and then my brown kpomo or cow skin. Then I have my matured goat meat. Everyone, this goat meat is super matured. So next I'll cook the cow stripe differently. I'm using a pressure pot to cook it. So I just added my seasoning, then some salt to taste, then enough chopped onions. I love onions, so I always put lots and lots of onions. Then I will add water because I'm using a pressure pot to cook it. That's why I have to add water. If not, I will allow it to simmer, everyone. So I'll cover this to cook on a high heat for 30 minutes. If you're not using pressure pot, you can cook it more. Then that aside, while that is on fire, I just transferred my goat meat into the pot I'll be using for the soup. Then the cow skin, that is kpomo. After cutting it, you can see the shape I cut mine. You can cut it bigger or smaller. Then I'll add my catfish after washing it. I use hot water to clean it with salt and get rid of all those parts that is not needed from the head. Then I just added my seasoning, salt, and then my chopped onions. Enough chopped onions, everyone. Enough chopped onions. Then I just added my yellow chili pepper. I can't do without adding yellow chili pepper to my soup. So after adding all of this together, I'm not going to add water to this. I will just cover it to simmer for 10 minutes. You'll see it will have enough water, enough to cook your goat meat. Goat meat is not hard to cook, it's very easy to cook. That is why I'm cooking it differently. So while that is on fire, I'm going to pound my Afang, my okazi. So this is how I do my, if you have this energy, please do pound it. It gives you that nice taste. So while that is aside, this is how I pick my water leaf. Everyone, this is actually the right water leaf to use for your Afang soup. If you want that Afang soup Calabar style, this is the right water leaf. You can see that these leaves are very tiny, they are not broad. The one that has broad leaf, it's all filled with water. So I pluck out the flowers because it's not needed, then cut part of the stems that are not needed, as you see me doing on the screen. So if you want it to be fast, just add gather as plenty as possible, then cut it once. So I'm going to be doing this till everything is finished. I'll do the remaining off camera. So for the ones that I've picked, this is what it looks like. So next I'll transfer to water in a bowl, add some salt to wash. So I'm going to wash everything off the camera, but always add salt to get rid of any insect. And then I love to cut my veggies at home to give me that shapes, those shapes that I want for my veggies. So to cut, this is how I cut my water leaf. If you give them at the market to cut, there's always this plenty stems of water leaf all over because they don't take their time to pick it and they don't wash it. They just do the cutting for you, and you coming home to wash it can get rid of most nutrients from your veggies. So that is why I take it home, picked it by myself, wash, then take my time to dice it the way I want it. Everyone, you can see what it looks like. So I will do the remaining cutting off camera. Just say let me show you how I do cut my water leaf. I hope hope you like that. Please give me your comment at the comment section down below. Let me know what you think about that. So the goat meat is cooked enough, so I'm just going to be adding the other meat and the stock to cook our soup. So because I'm using pressure pot, I off the fire to cool before I open it to avoid explosion. So next thing I do is to transfer the cow's drive and the other meat inside my cooking pot, the main pot I'm using for the soup. So when I do this, you can see what everything look like. Hello everyone, if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please do stay connected. More videos are updated on this very channel. Please like, comment, share and subscribe if you have the ability to share my videos. Wow, so you see what my water leaf looks like after cutting it. You can see how tiny it is. This is exactly how I love my water leaf to look like, so that you can get that yummy afang soup with that water leaf stems. So the next thing I did is to add my crayfish, blended crayfish or blended dry plum, or we'll call it plums. Okay, yeah, plums. So and next thing I do is to add my yellow chilli after blending, and then some palm oil or red oil. After I add this together, I will take a turning stick to spread it around the pot. Then I will cover it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. Yeah, 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. So do not go away, keep watching, let's cook together. So after 10 to 15 minutes, this is what the soup is looking like. So I'm returning back the fish because I removed it from the pot so it won't scatter all over the soup. So at this point, I'm taking it back to the pot and I'm going to allow it to cook for 2 minutes after transferring it back to the soup pot. I do this especially when using catfish. After I boil it and get that stock out of it, I set it aside. I remove it from the pot so it won't scatter. So this is what all that plenty afang look like after pounding everyone. So at this point, our soup is almost ready. Everyone, keep watching, don't go away. And if you watched this video up to this point, don't forget to hit the subscription button, thumbs up, share my video to your friends and family, everyone. Okay, so this afang I just added is going to thicken this soup. Just watch and see how it thickens the soup. You can even notice that the soup is starting to thick already. This afang soup is yummy, everyone. Unless you prepare it yourself following this step and eat it, that is when you will understand how yummy. In fact, I'm starting to think about a fufu already. So thanks all my genuine subscribers for all your support always, and those returning, thanks for returning back. Please do stay connected and subscribe. So this afang soup can be eaten with samo, eba, fufu. The choice is yours, everyone. Stay safe, stay connected. Bye for now.